Uh-oh, look at that. Look at that. The control button's blinking. Ooh, that means, oh, damn, it went away. So the keyboard is dirty, and I wanted to take the keycaps off, but to take the keycaps off and then wash it. But I was like, you know, not everybody has a keycap remover, so they would just be forced to wash the keyboard as is. So what I want to do is I want to put this thing in the dishwasher. It is a $50 or $60 K55 RGB keyboard from Corsair. Handle being ran through the dishwasher, and I would like to get some of the grime out of it. I mean, you can see it. It's time for a cleaning. But before I stick this in the dishwasher, I need to wrap this up. I don't want this to be completely exposed to the water. So I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to tape the end of it up to keep water from getting out. Now if I fail at that, then the bag essentially is going to fill with water, and it's going to do exactly what I didn't want it to do to begin with. Now we're going to run the washer with no soap, and we're going to run it on low heat, okay? And then once the washer is done with the keyboard, I'm going to let it dry for a few days to sacrifice my keyboard and see what happens. Washing machine versus keyboard. So I went ahead and bagged the end of it up, and I used bread ties to do it because I figured that'd be the only thing that would hold on. And then we're going to probably also want to wrap our cord up because we don't want that to get into anything. And then we're just going to put it straight in the dishwasher. This way, in the up position, because the water is going to want to spray up that way. So hopefully if I can lean it down a little bit. That. So I'm gonna run it like this. Okay, just like that. Let's do this. Push it in. Alright. Whoa. Stop. And it's washing. No delay or nothing. No soap. And we're gonna try to do it with no heat. Just straight water. And hopefully this works. So we'll get back to it. Alrighty, it's done. And it looks like it did a little heat anyway. Let's pull the keyboard out. Turn that over. Let's see here. Alright, guess I'll turn the light on. Let's see here. Well, it definitely looks cleaner. That's for sure. And look at the water running out of it. So I'm gonna have to take this thing and hang it, like preferably like in a shower or something. Okay, so let's take the bag off. And well, it got wet, so hang it up and let it dry and come back to it in a little bit. See what happens. So I plugged in the keyboard, and As you can see, it's kind of wigging out right now. I'm not really getting anything. The LED lights are on. Let's see if I can't reset the system and see what happens. Let's see here. System reset. Come on. Alright, reset. And let's power it on. Hopefully this. Ooh, what a weird noise. You won't. Can y'all hear that? Very weird. Let's see if F1 runs. Nope. Not getting anything. Not getting nothing out of it. Let's see here. Nope, no controls. The RGB lights are working in it. And it looks really clean too. But it is not working. Yeah, nothing's working. Because it says press F1 to run the setup. I'm pressing F1. I'm not getting anything. Okay, well maybe if I leave it to dry for like another week, a couple more days or something like that, we'll see what happens. It's only been drying for a day or so. I mean, it's been a day or so and we're not getting anything. So okie dokie. Crud. The keyboard looks nice and pretty, but it's not functional. Not only that, I've never seen it do a full spectrum rainbow color before like that. That's new to me. Uh-oh, look at that. Look at that. The control button's blinking. Ooh. That means, oh, damn, it went away. That means that it was getting a signal. That's exactly what that meant. That meant that the keyboard was sending a signal to the computer. They were talking there for a second. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna unplug it and just put it to the side for a few days, and then maybe in another video I'll give you guys an update on it. But as of right now, it is not functioning. So yeah, make sure to leave me a like. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching.